Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This is your time to release, reset, and return to calm. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and release. Feel the ground beneath you, steady and safe. With every breath, imagine your body growing heavier, more anchored, more supported. You are safe. You are held. Now bring your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. With each inhale, peace enters. With each exhale, tension leaves. Breathe calm in. Breathe stress out. Imagine a gentle wave of light moving through your body, from the crown of your head, down your spine, through your heart, your stomach, your legs, soothing every nerve, balancing your entire system. Your mind clears, your body softens, your energy resets. Feel yourself expanding into peace. Every breath creates more space inside you, more openness, more freedom. Repeat silently. I am calm. I am safe. I am free. Again, I am calm. I am safe. I am free. control, just stillness. Your body knows how to relax. Your mind knows how to be quiet. You are whole. You are light. You are calm. Take one last deep breath. Gently return to the room and carry this deep calm with you. Thank you for meditating here at Soul Sanctuary. Until next time, stay at peace.